There are thousands of Shopify apps on the Shopify App Store. But the truth is, a lot of them are going to have absolutely no value to you. So you need to start with the main apps. Now, in my opinion, these 3 apps are the only essential apps that you need to scale to $100,000 per month. So let's get straight into it. App number 1 is called Klaviyo. Now, if you're not familiar with Klaviyo, it is an email marketing platform that you can plug into your Shopify. And this is going to give you the ability to do email marketing. Now, the reason why you need to be doing email marketing is because this is the cheapest way you can follow up with customers. And the highest converting customers are going to be the customers that have been onto your website and shown interest in a product, like adding it to cart. So abandoned cart allows you to target those customers and send them a set of emails with extra information to convert those purchases. So it's essentially, you're leaving money on the table if you're not doing it. Now, the reason why I say Klaviyo over other marketing apps is because it's one of the cheapest ways to follow up with customers. You've got to think, if you're advertising on Facebook or Google, you're paying for every click. You're paying for every person that clicks on that ad. However, with Klaviyo, you're just paying for an X amount of visitors. So I'll give you an example. For about 10,000 people on your email list, you're going to be able to email all of those for around $250 per month. For how many people see your content is very cheap considering the rest. And plus, email data is the only customer data that you own. So you need to be making all the chances you can at getting customer emails and being able to follow up with them for cheap. Now, number 2, you need an upsell app. Now, an upsell is when you're suggesting to a customer to buy another product. That might be multiple of the same existing product, if applicable, or you might be selling an accessory product to your main hero product. So let's say, for example, you're selling makeup brushes. Well, you might want to upsell a makeup bag to that same customer because they've shown high interest in that product. It's an easy way of increasing the average order value, which in turn is going to make your Shopify store more profitable. You've got to think, one of the most profitable items for McDonald's are fries. This is why they push so hard. It's not the actual burger and the chicken nuggets and all that bullshit. It is the fries. So the reason why they do that is for the power of the upsell. Because when you get your average order value right, you're going to be able to spend more on acquiring customers. The guys who are winning in this game are the guys who spend the most money on marketing. So if you can do that profitably, you're going to be onto a winner. Now, there's loads of upsell apps. Personally, I use Reconvert, but other ones have different functionalities. You can also use things like monster upsells, but I don't feel like it gives me everything that I need, but that is a good app to start with if you're just new to this and you want an easy setup. Now, the third type of app I would suggest is a rewards program. Now, Smile is the best, and the reason why you want to be opening a rewards program is because you're then able to reward your existing customers. You've just got to imagine, if you've paid for a customer to come off of Facebook and they've shopped with you once last year, well, if you're able to then follow them up and give them rewards for stuff like following you on social media, buying more product, or referring a friend, then they're really strong incentives. And if a customer spends more money on your store and racks up points, then they're going to feel like you care more about them. So it's going to create a stronger customer. And that's just an easy way to stand out to your competitors. And I get what you're thinking, well, this might be an extra cost and that you can't afford to make. But for you to go get another customer, you've got to spend the money to get the customer. So you might as well try to turn the existing customer into more money. Because the thing is about a rewards program, with the rewards, they have to spend the money to redeem it. So you're not paying for a brand new customer and you're able to get way more money out of them. So Smile Rewards is one that I suggest, but they are plenty. You can make a custom landing page with extra information and you can create good incentives for your rewards program. And when you're creating those loyal customers that are coming back and they're enjoying how they're getting treated and they feel like they're more valued in your business, that's where you're going to see your store. That is where you're going to see your store start scaling to that 100k a month mark. Now, if you think there's anything that I've missed, drop a comment down below. But those are the 3 most important. If you add them onto your Shopify store and you don't have them already, you're guaranteed to see some results. So, like always, subscribe, follow for more, and on the next one, let's go.